Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, let me show you one little trick to keep you calm. I know all of you get excited that Shib peaks, but since it hasn't been peaking in the past few days, it seems that people are starting to get angry again. You know, we're back to the norm. Not with everyone, of course, but with that little small percentage. And they're very angry that it just doesn't keep on going up and up because in their minds they have it fixed like some sort of algorithm just that never stops. Okay? Well, for these people, I'm gonna really give them some medicine here. And just for the average person, obviously, that may be a little bit worried, I need to actually address this and show you guys how to keep calm. So as you know it, guys, right now, Shib, Bitcoin, the whole crypto market is getting ready for that Bitcoin halving season. Here we have it, guys, 35 days to go approximately. So beautiful, beautiful days to come. And I think a lot of people are going to be making money. It's going to be a wild time. Okay. Very, very interesting time. I think we can actually make the most out of it. But let me make it clear to you as well. There are people that are taking it too serious, right? And it's really getting into their heads because they saw Shib peak 3 times. So they think that, you know, the best idea here is just to be checking the charts every second. Now, if you want to check the charts, I would say, okay, fine, check them, but check them in a healthy way. And what I mean by that, okay, is that the candles and the little movements up and down, they're really, really getting into people's minds. So you need to select a good time frame on the charts. So let me actually just open up CoinGecko. I think it would be better because that way I'm going to show you what you would need to do in terms of the time frame. What would be good for you guys? So let's just have a look at Shiba Inu, and I'll show you what looks good. So you've got obviously a lot of a lot of charts, okay, time frames. Actually, they took away one of the time frames, but I think it's available on many other graphs. There is the 4-hour graph, right? There's also I've seen the 12-hour graph, 24 hours, 7 days, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year. And you know what, ladies and gentlemen, sometimes it's better to stop looking at the 4-hour charts. Unless you're some kind of a day trader, you know, really looking for these quick pips, you know, these up 3, 4, 5 pips, that's what you're trying to profit from. You shouldn't be looking at these charts because on these charts, you know, if you look at like even the 24-hour chart here, right, Shiba Inu. I mean, look at this. It looks like Shiba Inu goes up, then it goes down. Like there isn't much excitement, especially the candles. So people here, they may go crazy because it's like super red here, and it's a very long candle that goes down. Then they get that little dopamine effect. It goes back up. Then it starts going down. You see the slope down. So people might actually think, well, it's over for Shiba Inu and you need to sell out very quickly. And that all is just one day, ladies and gentlemen, just one day. Even 7 days just doesn't look that good. It doesn't paint you the long-term picture. Look at this. I mean, it's all over the place. Like pretty much, you know, we're going down, we're having a bad time, then we kind of go up, then we go down, and it's just your emotions are always going to be in a swing. And I've had people get angry at me and saying, well, you always say that, you know, the cryptos follow Bitcoin, Shib follows Bitcoin, Bone follows Bitcoin, and it hasn't actually basically increased as much as Bitcoin. Well, yeah, sometimes it's not going to increase that much because Bitcoin probably didn't increase that much. So you're not going to see like identical following. So the only way to cure these crazy, emotional panic attacks that you're getting is to really look at bigger charts. I mean, in my opinion, like a 3-month chart is a good chart to look at because it paints a long-term picture. And yeah, you will see a bit of red here, but at least when you open up a long-term chart, you will see what Shib is capable of, what the real, story, what is the real story here? What are we painting here? What are we expecting here? So look at the monthly charts, look at yearly charts as well. That's a great, basically chart indicator to look at. When you are looking at investing at other cryptos, right? You're not looking at the 24-hour charts, right? I don't think none of you are looking. You're always looking at how it performed in the past. You're going very far. You're also maximizing the charts as much as possible. So here it is, guys. This is the real picture. This is the real long-term picture of it. And the short-term charts could easily just be people buying and selling. It doesn't indicate anything. So please relax and start looking at the wider charts, the long-term charts. Because otherwise, you'll never, ever feel calm. If you are a long-term trader looking at short-term charts, that's the worst recipe ever. A recipe for a disaster. So learn to see the bigger picture. Also understand, recently we have reached a peak. So look at this. This was like a very nice peak in the past year, the past 2 years. So of course, this is going to be a bit of a correction. Of course, there could be reversals. Of course, it could drop. I mean, it can't always be going up and up and up. There will be moments where it just hits the resistance line and then it just kind of goes down, finds its new support level. It's all part of trading. You have to look at every single crypto chart. That's how it works. Always going to be good moments, worse moments, and then it can break through resistance lines. So it will never, ever look very steady. There will be ups and downs. So stop and ignore all this other stuff that's getting into your head whenever you see a red candle, because the red candle doesn't mean anything. It really doesn't mean that much. It's just part of trading. And if you want to be a day trader, if you want to be, one of these traders that are trying to make a quick buck on an hourly chart or a 4-hourly chart, well, good for you, right? But there's already different strategies, and then you could be doing it with any other crypto, really. So, as I said many times, learn to understand the trading terms. Understand resistance lines, support lines, corrections, reversals, consolidations. These are very important terms. And when you start understanding that actually a lot of cryptos go in waves and sometimes they can have breakouts, that's where you will feel more calm. Because when you will see the red candle, you'll be like, well, what? There's nothing. I mean, you'll just be like, well, that's it. It's just part of the process. But others, let me show you what others do. They see a red candle. They're like, oh my God, I need to cash out. I need to leave. Wait, hold on a sec. Let me go on Gossipator's channel. Let me just FUD everywhere. Let me get crazy at him. I mean, come on, relax. We're going into Bitcoin halving. We're going into the altcoin season. Bitcoin's breaking all the all-time highs. The markets are looking beautiful for cryptos. It is the perfect, time to be getting your bag nice and heavy. We are in the right moments. So, learn about crypto charts. Look at the big charts. Look at how other cryptos have performed and stop caring about these red candles. I'm sick and tired of people listening to them basically tell me that, yesterday at this time, Shib dropped by this much or Bone dropped by this percentage. Come on, give me a break. I don't care. I'm not even going to respond to this. It's just silly. I only care about the long term because the long term will compensate me for all the time I have invested, all the dedication. Just like a lot of you guys, really. You have been very patient and you deserve the best of the best. And the best of the best is going to the moon. Simple as that. So if you have any thoughts in regards to everything that I have said, please leave it down below in the comment section. Let's talk, let's discuss. Feel free, guys. It's all open for you. Don't forget to subscribe with the notifications bell on because I have a lot of interesting info coming out. You guys are investors. You need good, logical information. I'm thinking outside the box and I'm giving it to you guys fresh, raw, and ready to actually implement. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.